The email that is now known as the Fornevel email was important for two reasons. On the one hand, it was important because it was a transcript of voicemail interceptions that were made on behalf of the News of the World, and that was seen as evidence and as sufficient to conclude that the company would lose the case. There was another part of that email which was important, which was that it was so-called Fornevel, and that it named another journalist in that email. And that second part, that importance, was not described to me in any detail or at all. And it was not described as the Fornevel email. And I want to be very clear, no documents were shown to me at that meeting or given to me at that meeting or prior. It's clear to me that in 2008, for example, the information that I received around the Taylor case was incomplete. And it's also clear to me that in 2009, upon allegations arising in a newspaper about the Taylor case, that the full extent of the knowledge within the business or the evidence within the business, as well as with the Metropolitan Police, was not made clear to me. And that's something that I'm very sorry for.